I think it would surprise many people to learn that mental illness is the leading cause of disability in workplaces in this country. We know that physical health and mental health are closely linked, and there's a unique opportunity for every workplace to think about what would work for them. It may be a yoga studio, it may be a wellness center like we have here at CAMH. We know that an opportunity to invest in physical health is important to the overall mental health strategy of an organization, and we encourage employers to think about what would work best for them.
I think right now is the right time to talk about mental health and understand more about mental health, frankly, because it's long overdue. We've considered many aspects of the workplace in the past, but mental health hasn't been one of them to the extent that it should be. When I first heard about the Work for Mental Health, I thought it was an incredibly important initiative, given that we were focused on designing a workplace that supports the well-being of our people, that we needed to find a way to better understand the impact of the workplace on people's mental health.
I feel passionate about improving workplace mental health because your physical health and your mental health are both critical to achieving your full potential. I do see situations where full potential's not being met and think it's a responsibility of ours to do more to create better conditions. CAMH is one of the leading research hospitals in the world, and I think is the place that's really well positioned to tackle this problem with support of business leaders.
Personally, I feel passionate about mental health in the workplace because my history is that I was diagnosed with bipolar disorder and with ADHD a few years back, and having worked with CAMH on my own personal mental health, I feel like it's such a great opportunity for BMO and CAMH to be working together to really make a difference.
CAMH is uniquely positioned to lead a conversation on workplace mental health. As Canada's largest hospital focused on mental health, we have perspective on all sides, from the patients that we treat to the leadership position and knowledge that we have to our ability to research and advocate for change.
I would say to any company who's interested in jumping onto the CAMH initiative is to go full out on it. Partner and reach out to CAMH or ask for CAMH to come in and visit your organization. Learn about the tools, the resources, the studies, making sure that your workplace is breaking down that stigma that mental health is something that doesn't get discussed in the workplace.
This is an issue where we need all hands on deck. Bringing partners together to share their experiences is really important to help us all move forward in a positive way.
Yeah, I think one of the successes is simply starting the conversation. Once you do that and break down the stigma and encourage people to talk openly, there is that snowball effect where it just begins to happen and becomes a normal part of the conversation, which frankly creates a healthy environment.
We're so delighted that you're here and taking the first step to creating a more inclusive and healthy workplace for your employees. We hope that you will find resources here that can help you in your journey in making a difference for yourself, for your employees, and for your organization.